Stevens here, 5th grade special ed. I just wanted to point out a resource to families on the OLS. When you get your curriculum materials, open them up. There's a checklist inside. Go through the checklist and make sure that you have everything that is on the list. If you don't, there's a number on that list that you can call to make sure your kiddo has all their materials needed for school. If you get in a bind and you don't happen to have one of the chapter books, for example, if you go and the kids online school looks different than mine, but if you go to the very first lesson in the ELA, so for example, the first book we're reading is Sarah Plain and Tall. Go to ELA Summit, go to the author study lesson 1 right here. All the books are available online, and some of them have read alouds attached to them. However, I've also put read alouds on my weekly or my newsletter. So here's Sarah Plain and Tall. Also, your spelling lists are located inside the lesson, so those are good to print out for the kids as well. Now, when I scrolled down, I was only able to see the first page. You have to come over here to the table of contents to see the rest, and you see it's not populated yet. But if I come over there and I click on it, I'm able to see that. I tried to see if this was read aloud, but I don't think this is. But a really good best practice is to, especially for your kids that struggle with reading, have the book in their hand and use that read aloud, and let them follow along. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.